Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an Adams Polishes video on the new limited F150. So we're going to be doing a video on the leather conditioner here. So this is a product that I've only used one other time on the Jeep, and I was really impressed by it. I'm not a big fan of leather conditioners or leather treatments that make the leather really shiny and is essentially just a big it looks like tire shine essentially on your leather. I don't like that, so I'm pretty happy with this product. You can put it on, you can tell the leather kind of absorbs it and gets some nutrients from it, and it does do the leather some justice. And then you can wipe it off with another rag and you can get that same natural leather looking finish without having the oily shine. So let's jump right in and show you guys how to use this product and see how it works. All right, so we're going to need the product itself, obviously, the leather conditioner from Adams. Set this right here. Then we're going to need the red applicator. It's kind of a spongy applicator pad. It's recommended for the leather conditioner. And then I'm going to be using one of their waffle rags, so just to kind of dust off the residue. That you can use really any microfiber rag, but this is just one that I've had laying around that I don't care too much about if I ruin it or anything like that. We're sitting here in the back of the truck because I couldn't find a great spot to do it on the seat until I saw the back of the seat. So as you can see, the back of the seat right here is completely unconditioned. This is what it looks like right now, totally without me touching it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to one side and leave the other side unconditioned, and you will get a very, very clear representation of one side being conditioned and one side not. So what I like to do is get my applicator pad here, and then I like to go ahead and put a pretty generous amount on the applicator itself, and then go ahead and, I'm trying to do this one with one hand, sorry, but kind of mix it into the applicator. That way it gets a nice even bit across it, and it helps from making it too thick on one end of it. So now that it's nice and mixed into the applicator there, we're going to go ahead and just do one side of this seat. One side has been done, and another thing I want to point out is you really want to make sure you hit these lines where the leather has a seam in it. Make sure you get in there, because if you don't, you will get one portion of it that has been treated and another in the middle that hasn't, and it's really, really visible. So as you can see here, this side has been done, this side has not. Right now, I just put it on. I didn't rub it off or anything like that. So it is a very, very dark color over here and a more dull color over here. As you can see, it looks pretty shiny right here, as you can see, which I'm not a big fan of. So what I like to do is I like to take one of my my microfiber rags, and I just like to go ahead and buff it off really quick. As you saw there, just a quick buff with a microfiber towel, and you can still see a clear difference. This is the side that has been treated. This side has not been treated, and it is not oily at all. It's not slippery. It feels the same across the board. It just looks a whole lot healthier. As you can see, it's a very vibrant dark color over here, and this side is a lot more dull colored. So it seems like it's a lot healthier. It doesn't have a different feel to it by any means. It's not oily. Take that microfiber rag, buff it off real quick, and you will get a nice clean finish. Go ahead and finish up the back side of this seat and the rest of the interior. Another thing I want to point out is I've done about half the truck so far before I started filming this video, and I had all the doors shut earlier. When I got back in, you could really smell it. It's not a real fruity smell or anything strong like some of the other Adams products are. It just has kind of a nice clean new car smell to it. So no, it's not going to make your car smell brand new, but it does does have a nice refreshing scent to it and makes your car feel really clean, and that's something I really like as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informational. I would recommend it. I feel like this video is a really clear representation of one side versus the other being treated, and it's pretty clear that it works really well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.